Hi there, Patricia, All Body Fitness, and this is Georgie, my little rescue. If we put him down, he likes to help me work out. He's good. All right. You've met Tiger before. That's Tiger's brother, Georgie. I don't think they're really brothers, but who knows. Anyway, let's go ahead and do our 5-minute butt kicking workout today. I have a cold, so it's going to kick my butt. Hopefully you're going to work hard with me, right? So that it'll work yours too. Anytime you think it's too hard, go to this simple walk in place. All right. Going to do body weight exercises, no equipment. May need a mat for the floor when we get down there, and a good spirit to do this. All right, let's kick and punch. Let's make those kicks a little bit hard, little hard punches, right? Give it to me, give me out your frustrations. There you go. Use some good energy here. Warm up the body. Get strong. Good. Couple more, just like that. Punch it hard. Ooh, I can take it, come on. Good. And nice, good. Let's go down to the floor. Oh, Tiger, hi there. I need that mat. All right, move along, kitty. All right, he's helping, I think. All right, we're going to start with a set of push-ups. Excuse me, baby. Now, I don't want anybody going to this tabletop push-up here. That doesn't work much. If you're going to do knee push-up, do them right. Hinge forward from the waistline. Come forward and down and up. Try and get that full range of motion with me, if you can. If you can be on the toes, even better. Good. This is where I'm working today. Good. I can't get all the way down with my toes, so I'm going to do these. Good. Excellent. Let's move the mat a little bit sideways so we can work a side plank and reach. All right. Work the core this way. Have that mat for your knee. So your right arm is in line with your right knee. Left leg is extended, arm is up. Nice and tall. You're going to reach through and come up. Good. Working that waistline. Little thread of the needle here. Nice. Good. Keep it going. Work that core. Nice. If you have a cold like me, you may get a little dizzy. That's okay. We'll work through it. And good. Let's go to the other side. Whew. Good. Leg in line with the left leg and the left arm. Right leg extended, right arm up. Reach through and up. Good. Nice. You can do it. I'm doing it with you. I'm watching out for you. You can do this. You can do 5 minutes of working out with me, right? It's not so bad. Good. And nice. Good. Let's bring it over so we can do a little bit of abs, right? Support ourselves here, extend our legs. Come down with one leg and back up and alternate. Good. Nice. Hi, Tiger, you watching? Yeah? Oops, sorry. Don't want to kick the cats. Sometimes it's like they're trying to get in the way, isn't it? I don't know. But, gotta love them. Good. Nice, keep it going. Couple more. Woo! Working hard. And nice. Good, sit back. Raise up on those glutes and scissor legs. Good, you can rest your head back if you like. I'm just going to watch a little time here. Good, scissor them fast. Ooh, legs should be tired a little bit. Your back should be pressed against the mat by having your hands underneath your glutes. Good. Couple more seconds. Oh, the cats are going to wrestle. I don't know if you can see them. They're doing good. Excellent. Nice. Let's come on up and do a set of stepping lunges. Just move it out of the way. Okay. So picture a clock in front of you. We're going to do some numbers, right? All right. So your foot's going to go to the hour hand. We're going to do 11 o'clock and come back. Good. 1 o'clock and back. Good. 11 and 1. You don't have to go way down. You do what you could. There you go. A little bit of angle. Surprise the body a little bit, right? Nice. You can do it. Good. 2 more. And last one. Good. All right, make sure you have some room behind you. We'll do a couple of back ones as well. Back on an angle, right? 5 o'clock and back. 7 o'clock. Good. 5, 7. I say o'clock, but then I realize, does anybody know what a regular clock looks like anymore? We have everything digital, right? Good, 2 more. And last one. Nice, good workout. That's 5 minutes. You did it, you stayed strong. Come back with me tomorrow for more. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and tell me what exercises you like. Thank you so much.